Hello guys, I hope all are doing good. So now I would like to apply the cropping tool using the macro batch processing in Fiji, and I will crop the region of interest from all of the images in this folder. So in desktop, this is my folder, and I will apply the crop to all of the images one by one, and it will save automatically instead of loading one by one images. So for this you need to first open the Fiji software. uh, so from here you can just open the software, and the software need a plugin. So this is the folder where I saved the plugin named crop image gym, and here is the tutorial. You can download this from this link. I provide the download link in the description section. Here is the instruction, here is the plugin. I download and put it in the folder. You guys can just check it. So now from macros, run your plugin. So here is the pgf folder. Now open protocol. Now just load the plugin. Now the plugin want your input directory. So go to the desktop. The name is scaled. Actually, I scaled all of the images first from using the sequence, because the images were high directory, and that's why I used it. So I am doing this again. Sorry. Yes. Then go to your desktop and apply new scale. So here is your image. After cropping first image, it will save when you will click here, and then new image will come. So you don't have to upload every time new images. It will actually follow the sequence. So for the time being, this is our region of interest. So we should crop this one, and we're going to crop. Yeah, select it. Also, this is our region of interest. Select it. This is the region of interest. Select it. So here I think the region of interest is this portion. Just choose it here and select. Also, region of interest is here. Follow. This time region of interest. We are just extracting the cracks. So our region of interest is actually cracks, especially the alligator cracks. So we are avoiding the shade. It is considering as a noise, so best opportunity is to avoid the noise. Yes, we are considering this, but I think we need to be careful in those places. So, let's look at the images. So, here is our cropped images, the JPGs. So, look.